Every day we make countless decisions about what we put on our plates. From a quick breakfast to a family dinner, food is a basic part of our lives and culture, and a source of joy. But, have you ever wondered what's really hiding in your daily meals? The truth might be more worrying than we think. Beyond counting calories and fats, there's a hidden world of chemicals and biological reactions happening inside our bodies with every bite. Some common foods, which many might see as a normal part of their diet, carry serious health risks that might not show up for years. Recent scientific research increasingly points to a direct link between our eating habits and the most serious diseases of our time, especially cancer. It's not about avoiding food, but about understanding what we eat and making smart, informed choices to protect our health in the long run. In this video, we'll take a deep dive, based on the strongest scientific evidence from global health organizations and major research institutes. We'll show you 7 types of foods that have been clearly or possibly linked to an increased risk of cancer. Our goal isn't to scare you, but to give you the knowledge to protect yourself and your loved ones. Get ready to rethink what's in your fridge and change how you think about your meals forever. On our journey to understand the link between food and cancer, we start with the first and most obvious enemy, processed meats. They might be a key part of our daily meals because they're easy to make and taste good, but the scientific truth behind them is very concerning. We're talking about sausage, hot dogs, lunch meat, salami, pepperoni, pastrami, and cured meats. In 2015, after looking at more than 800 studies, the International Agency for Research on Cancer, part of the World Health Organization, made a big move. They classified processed meats as Group 1 carcinogens for humans. This means there's enough proof to confirm their link to cancer, putting them in the same group as tobacco and asbestos. But what makes them so dangerous? The secret is in how they're preserved. Chemicals like sodium nitrate and nitrite are used to make them last longer and give them their special color. But when cooked or digested, these chemicals can turn into harmful nitroso compounds in our bodies, which have been shown to damage the DNA of colon cells. The numbers are shocking. Evidence shows that eating just 50 grams of processed meat daily, that's like 2 slices of bacon or 1 hot dog, increases the risk of colorectal cancer by up to 18%. The good news is that healthy alternatives are available and delicious. Replace processed meats with fresh grilled chicken, or fish rich in omega-3s, or even strong plant-based proteins like chickpeas, lentils, and beans. The rule is simple. Make processed meats a very rare treat in your diet, not a part of your daily routine. Red meat. Not all bad, but moderation is key. Classified as a possible carcinogen, eating too much beef, lamb, and pork increases the risk. Goal, less than 500 grams per week. Replace it with poultry and fish. Serving baked fish with leafy salad in bright modern kitchen. Sugar isn't a direct cancer food, but eating too much leads to obesity. Obesity is a major risk factor for over 13 types of cancer. Cut back on sugary drinks and processed sweets. A healthy body means a stronger immune system. Alcoholic drinks, a real and proven danger. Alcohol is linked to many cancers like liver, breast, esophagus, and colon cancer. There's no completely safe level, but cutting back significantly lowers the risks. Burnt or heavily grilled food. When meat is cooked at very high temperatures, it can form possible cancer-causing chemicals like aromatic hydrocarbons. Avoid burning food and use healthy cooking methods. Meat acrylamide, the crispy culprit. It sneaks into fries and dark toast when starch hits high heat. Tasty crunch, hidden risk. Go golden, not dark. Air fry, lighter toasts, and gentler heat. We've reached the end of our journey, but it's really just the beginning. The beginning of your journey towards better health and a more vibrant life. Knowledge is power, and now you have the tools to be the architect of your own health. We've looked at the possible dangers in our daily meals, from processed and red meats, to added sugars and alcoholic drinks, and even wrong cooking methods that create harmful compounds like acrylamide. But the goal isn't to scare you, it's to empower you. The goal is to turn this knowledge into real power that changes our lives for the better. Change doesn't mean completely giving up or totally changing your habits. Instead, it's about small, mindful, and ongoing steps. Here are 5 practical habits you can start this week. First, swap 1 meal of processed meat for a plant-based protein alternative like chickpeas or lentils. Second, when cooking meat, choose slow cooking or boiling instead of direct grilling to reduce harmful compounds. Third, replace one sugary drink every day with a glass of water or herbal tea. Fourth, spend an extra 5 minutes at the store reading product labels and avoiding added sugars. Fifth, fill half your plate with colorful vegetables at every main meal to boost fiber and antioxidants. Remember, every conscious choice is an investment in your future. Your health starts in your kitchen, and your decisions today build your tomorrow. If you found this content helpful, share it with those you care about. Good deeds are like those who do them. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to get all our new and helpful content. Together, we can make our communities healthier and more aware.